Good morning everyone. So this is my morning beauty routine and I'm using my Miss Red & Co headband everyone, and it's perfectly talaga na magagamit natin everyday for daily routine everyone, like washing our face, doing our facial skincare routine, doing our makeup on. So ngayon, this is the Puffy Pad and this is the product also na ginagamit ko for washing my face, and you can see this product everyone. It's just like this and I love it. No, this is the some essential product here in my bathroom skincare routine, and this is me in the morning, no? So, basain natin ng tubig. At ang ganda talaga everyone dahil nagsascrub talaga yung face natin. At nagtatanggal yung mga dead skin, no? To those who want to have this kind of headband everyone, I'm selling like this by Miss Red & Co, only 300 yen. Interested, just message me. Actually, we have a lot of colors and designs. And thank you so much everyone. So this is my daily skincare routine everyone before I take shower in the morning, no? So I'm scrubbing the ears, the neck, no? Because that's a very important also. We wash our neck, our face, our ears. And you can see everyone, makikita nyo talaga na nagsitanggalan yung mga dumi sa mukha natin, sa skin natin, no? And it's so very comfortable to use this Puffy Pads everyone. I buy this at the one of a beauty store. I think Ayu maybe or Kashiwa, I can't remember, but I'm using this one. Besides of this product, I am using some skincare product, but this is the most favorite one na ginagamit ko. This Puffy Pad, special Puffy Pad, bubble wash pad. Talagang perfect, no? Wala, nakita akong tutoy. So, mag-take shower na ko everyone. So, this is how I use my Puffy Pad for my face, and then I wash my face. Kung nakikita ninyo, talagang nagtatanggal talaga ng dumi. But I'm using this one everyone while I'm doing my bath, my shower. Talagang nagkukuskus ako dahil talagang matanggal talaga yung mga dumi, no? In this part talaga, no? Natutuwa ako dito while you are kuskus your kili-kili, your bugan-bugan. Talagang, it really help talaga everyone, no? It really help talaga. No? Ganun. Oh. So, this is my morning routine and take shower everyone. And for my skin everyone, no, I'm using my Tiara Sugar, Charcoal Sugar Scrub, and I love this. Napakasosyal ang bango everyone, napakasosyal ang bango. I love this one. So, ito yung ginagamit ko while I'm doing my morning routine, applying in whole body, no, talagang I love it. Interested to order this one, just message me dahil mura lang, 1,500 lang yan everyone. So, you can order. You can order my headband, 300 yen. You can order this one, 1,500 yen only. So, I'm selling this product everyone. Actually, tested and try na nako. Talagang ang ganda. Promise.